Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the blood rose waypoint to reach the tree of the Infissius. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Diablo Immortal account, and if you already log in, you can first thing you need to do is you need to finish the quest, defeat the blood rose, and you need to get the item like this. Okay, wait for a second. I will open my inventory and show you the item quest of the blood rose. Okay, no, so if you already kill the blood rose for the second time, you need to go to the blood rose waypoint, and then you can click, and now you can follow the footstep like this to navigate you into the quest. Okay, and for your information, I try my new skill set, and for this time I'm not using my skeleton commands because I want to try my full damage like this. Okay, so I play with my full damage skill set. Okay, not defensive but so offensive like this. And we are go back to the dark wood, and I keep spamming my first skill because
I am renewed.
this skill is increase the movement speed. And now I already arrived to the tree and finish waypoint, and I need to enter the forgotten, but here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.